Cambridge Internationalist Level Sociology, the family.
What are the main theories of the family? Or, what are sociological perspectives on the role of the family? Here are some key sociological perspectives on the role of the family. Structural functionalism. Structural functionalism views the family as a social institution that serves essential functions for society's stability and well-being. According to this perspective, families perform vital roles such as socialization, reproduction, economic support, and emotional nurturance. Family structures and roles are seen as contributing to the smooth functioning of society, with each member fulfilling specific functions to maintain social order and cohesion. Conflict theory. Conflict theory examines the family through the lens of power dynamics, inequality, and social conflict. According to this perspective, families are sites of struggle and competition for resources, status, and control. Conflict theorists argue that families reflect and reproduce broader patterns of social inequality, including disparities in wealth, power, and access to opportunities. Issues such as gender inequality, intergenerational conflicts, and economic disparities are central to the analysis of family dynamics from a conflict theory perspective. Symbolic interactionism. Symbolic interactionism focuses on the symbolic meanings, interpretations, and interactions that shape family relationships and identities. According to this perspective, families are social constructs that are continually created and negotiated through everyday interactions and symbolic gestures. Symbolic interactionists emphasize the importance of communication, shared meanings, and subjective experiences in shaping family dynamics, roles, and identities. Social exchange theory. Social exchange theory views family relationships as transactions based on the principles of rewards, costs, and reciprocity. According to this perspective, individuals make rational decisions about their relationships, weighing the benefits and drawbacks of staying in or leaving a relationship. Social exchange theorists examine factors such as resources, investments, and alternatives that influence the stability and satisfaction of family relationships. Feminist theory. Feminist theory examines the family through the lens of gender inequality, power dynamics, and patriarchal structures. Feminist theorists critique traditional gender roles and norms within families, highlighting women's subordinate status and unequal access to resources, opportunities, and decision-making power. Intersectional feminist perspectives recognize the intersecting influences of factors such as race, class, and sexuality on women's experiences within families. Ecological systems theory. Ecological systems theory, developed by Yuri Bronfenbrenner, considers the family within the broader context of multiple systems and environments that influence individual development. This perspective emphasizes the interconnectedness between family dynamics, community resources, cultural values, and societal structures. Ecological systems theory highlights the importance of understanding how various levels of influence, from microsystems, example family, to macrosystems, example society, shape family experiences and outcomes. These sociological perspectives offer different lenses through which to understand the role of the family within society, addressing various aspects such as structure, function, power dynamics, communication patterns, and cultural influences. Integrating multiple perspectives can provide a more comprehensive understanding of the diverse roles and significance of families in shaping individuals, communities, and societies.